We know you're busy. Let us help lighten your load. GEHA's Outreach Account Executives are at your service to set up your agency's on-site health and wellness events and provide support to you throughout the year. In fact, last year we attended over 1,500 agency events outside of open season. Many were wellness-related. GEHA can take the lead in organizing your agency's wellness events. We offer on-site health screenings such as blood pressure checks and body fat measurements, and provide wellness-related giveaways and informational materials. We can also arrange for an expert to speak about a public health topic of your choice during one of our Lunch and Learn sessions. We'll even bring healthy snacks. Your GEHA account executive is happy to visit your agency to assist health and dental plan members with their claim and benefit questions. No issue is too small or too large for on-site help. We offer new hire orientations that cover the basics of FEBA and FEDVIT programs to give your new employees a solid understanding of their insurance options. Our retirement seminars provide an overview of how coverage changes when you reach Medicare age, and information about benefit coordination with Medicare Parts A and B. And of course, we're also here to help with your annual open season planning. Join us online to attend our web chats or watch videos on a range of insurance topics. And don't forget to log into the ABO dashboard to sign up for our monthly health e-reminder emails, which provide useful, shareable information about specific health topics. We're available year-round to support you and the health and wellness needs of your agency's employees. Let us know if we can provide you with any information or assist you with any of your agency's events. To find your regional account executive or to access additional resources for agency benefit officers, visit geha.com/ABO.